Here is a continuation of the train show that we attended in Tallahassee, Florida on June 22nd, 2024. This one features more vendors and the T-Trak modules and Scale T-Trak modules of the Big Bend Model Railroad Association and Pensacola Model Railroad Club. So enjoy. Oh, and I forgot to mention there's also a Z T-Trak Modular Railroad and a small, very, very small T-Scale Railroad. Okay, this is one end of it, and it goes all the way down to that second fire extinguisher way down there. There's some old Bar Mills kit. Kiwanis, Salinas Tavern, Majestic Hardware, Mooney's Plumbing. There's covered stairwells. Bud's Bucket from JL Innovations. Mobile Home. And here's a Campbell Scale Model 1. Abandoned house. I got everything here but the Salinas Tavern, but he wants too much for it. I've just seen it online for $45. Okay, here's custom painting. Custom painting, assembly and detailing by Edward Vlogger, Texas Trainworks at gmail.com. There you go. Here's this stuff right here.
He did the whole. That's what I mean.
Nice work. A lot of assorted stuff. Z track. All right. Gonna go over on the other side.
Scaled down T-Traks.
All right. Good deal.
Less travel time.
And how much is one of these?
Yeah, his son.
I don't sell them.
You don't sell them?
No.
Mount Dora.
Guy over here that's selling modules does make this guy right here.
Okay. The guy way in the back over there, the other one.
Stuart,
Okay.
guy's name's Stuart.
Okay.
He's out of Pensacola.
Okay.
Yes, that's out back.
So you could get a DCC module inside there.
Yep. The F3s on the other side actually have their drop-in decoders in.
Oh my goodness.
They have all the same mechanisms that an N-Scale does. So the dual flywheel,
Yeah.
and the worm gears on the end. It's like watch work. It's crazy.
I have a hard enough time putting them in the HO scale. I can imagine what it would be like on these. Oh my goodness. More power to you. Got a lot of stuff in this one here.
Yeah, I know. I've been watching you the whole time.
All scales.
How are you folks today?
Double crossover. Mikado is $75. Single crossover. $65. Right. 1/450th scale.
Yeah, he's getting there. He's not doing too bad considering he hasn't run in about 8 months,
Oh,
6
wow.
months.
Well, the dirt on the wheel is probably bigger than the wheels.
Yeah. Well, not so much the dirt in the wheel, but it doesn't take much, you know, to get a little grain of dust
Yeah,
in the gears.
I can imagine, yeah. My goodness. Now, who manufactures this?
Company called T-Gauge.
T-Gauge? Oh, yeah? Okay.
They're out of England.
No luck, huh?
It's getting there.
It's getting there.
Okay. Here's the back part of it. With all this stuff right over here. I'm going to go around to the other side. HO cars below $15 each. 2 for $20. That's $90 right there. River Rossi. DC. It's a real light N scale stuff. Alabama Train Man. There you go. All the way down here. N scale.
That's awesome. How soon is that?
Not N scale. $12, $17, $18, $16, $20.
I don't know the trend like that.
And I also found a GP unit for the Ryan coastline in the black and yellow scheme. Yeah, it was it was finished with and it was number 935. And what? Apparently we got a little case of them still around. I also found a book on Ryan coastline package train. Yeah.
Train Show Haul and Vacation Time Haul will be on the Workbench Wednesday live stream this coming Wednesday at 8 p.m. So stay tuned for that and much more. We'll be finishing up Lenny's truck service and starting the Bar Mill Scale Model Works Overnighter. So until the next time, we'll see ya and have fun with whatever you're doing.